Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, we'll take a step-by-step look at installing the Steno version of Eclipse. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone you think will enjoy it, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Now, let's get Eclipse installed. In order to install Eclipse, you'll first need to go to our website. So I'm going to open a web browser. I'll click in the address bar and type in eclipsecat.com. And once the homepage loads, you will need to log in. If you don't already have an account on our website, click Create New Account. And as soon as your account is verified, you'll have authorized access to download Eclipse. Type in your username and password, and then click Login. Once you're logged in, the website will have Home, My Account, My Wishlist, and Log Out at the top left, indicating that you are in fact logged in. Hover over Support, hover over Downloads, and click on Eclipse and AccuCap in order to access the current installer. To keep up to date with Eclipse changes, always install the most recent version. For this, I'm going to choose Eclipse 12. When I click on the file, I may be prompted to run or save the installer. If that's the case, I want to choose Save. In this case, my system has automatically begun simply downloading the file for me. I'll need to wait for the file to completely download to continue. Once the download is complete, you may be presented with the option to open the file, or you may simply need to click on the file in order to execute it. I'm going to click Open File, and the install will begin. If prompted by Windows User Account Control to allow this app to make changes to your device, click Yes. Choose the language that you'd like Eclipse to be installed in, and click OK. Click Next to start the process. Click I accept the terms in the license agreement after reviewing the Advantage Software License Agreement. If desired, you can use the Print button to print or PDF a copy. Click Next. And now you'll be able to designate the install location. For most users, this should not be changed. However, if your IT staff has directed you to install in a different location, you can click the Change button to select that location here. Click Next once the destination is complete. Next, you'll be able to choose the input method that you'll be using with Eclipse. In this example, we'll choose Eclipse Steno and click Next. If desired, you can choose additional older versions of Eclipse to include with the installation. This is not required and is optional. For this example, I'm going to choose only to install the most recent version. I'll click Next. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a setup type. Complete installs everything available within the Eclipse installer, and Custom allows you to exclude things like the visualizers if you're tight on space. For most users, we recommend choosing Complete so that all support files are available. Click Next once you've selected a setup type. Now, the program is ready to install. Click Install to begin the process in earnest. Next, you'll need to wait for Eclipse to be installed. Once the installation is complete, you'll be offered the option to finish it and also be given the option to play the What's New video. This video covers new feature in Eclipse since the last version. If you'd like to watch it, leave this box checked, or you can uncheck it to skip it. This video is always available within the software through the Visualizer Topics menu. For this example, I'm going to uncheck this box, and I'll click Finish. The next step to finish the installation process is to restart Eclipse. If you try to open Eclipse now, there may be some things that do not load properly until a restart is accomplished. So I'm going to quickly restart my computer. Now that my computer has restarted, I'm ready to open Eclipse and begin working with it. In the next video, we'll cover license installation and the first user setup or selection. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Technical support can be reached at any time with any question at 772-288-3266. If you need assistance with the installation of Eclipse, please don't hesitate to contact us. For less urgent matters, support can also be reached by email. Email us at support@eclipsecat.com with any questions that you may have. Click the links on screen to learn more about Advantage software or Eclipse. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.